Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, plenty of space in the back. Coming around back here, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, a power liftgate, set all season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a black natural grain ash wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. This one also does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you command with navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad, and turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 20,298 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.